Sa Aspire Magazine Global Phoenix Edition Presscon, ano kaya ang challenge na ikinaharap ng cover girl nitong si Marian Beatriz Batalla Bermundo? At sino naman kaya ang iniidolo nilang artista ng kapwa niya beauty queen na si Christine Ornopia? Pasok, BTR!
Catherine Bernardo po, tsaka si Francine Diaz. Kasi po sila po yung pinaka-idol ko since I was a child and then now. Kasi even though yung mga fans nila or may haters din sila, they still become what they are. And nagpa-fight pa din sila and they still continue what they do and not let the haters let them down. So yeah po, si Francine Diaz po, tsaka si... Ako po, I think I can say na si Catherine
Bermundo. Catherine Bernardo.
Actually po, since nasa Going Bulilit po siya, I've been a fan of her. And since I have been a fan of her, I witnessed some of her challenges. And even though I can say na super ganda niya physically, I really admire how beautiful her soul and her heart is. Since I witnessed some of her challenges, I witnessed how she conquered those challenges. And actually, I can say that I am, once again, very inspired by her.
Pero anong challenge sa'yo? Saan ka nahirapan sa photoshoot ng pagiging cover girl?
Ang naging challenge po sa akin is, siguro I lost the confidence in myself po. I think that it's not bad to tell this to others because I think that is very normal for us to lose confidence once in a while. But then when I realized that if I was able to show myself, to show who I really am, I will be able to become an inspiration. So the challenges was that it was all by myself po. Kasi I have very amazing people around me eh. So, nung na-realize ko po na bakit parang kino-question ko yung sarili ko, na-realize ko na mahal nila ako. They love me for who I am. They love the way I speak, the way I care for them, and the way I inspire others. So why would I change myself?
So, ayan, friendship, di ba? Si Catherine talaga paborito ng karamihan talaga, no?
Ang mga kabataan ngayon, kapag tatanungin mo kahit sino, hindi nawawala ang pangalan ni Catherine kung sino kanilang iniidolo, di ba? Kagaya ni Kate at saka ni Marian, di ba?
Christine.
Siya po ang cover girl din ng Aspire Magazine ng CEO at President ay si Cass Ayen. Ayen Cass, di ba? Sir Ay, di ba? Ang paborito naman nila, pareha silang beauty queen, friend, diba? Si Catriona Gray.
Oo, diba? Correct.
Pero believe sila sa, kumbaga, sa pagiging strong, diba, ni Catherine.
Oo.
Diba?
Sabi
yun.
ni Marian.
Parang ikaw strong.
Diba? Kasi si Marian din talagang idol niya si ano pa. Going Bulilit days pa lang daw, paborito niya na si Catherine.
At gusto rin sumabak sa showbiz ng mga batang yan, ha?